We are HipTex biomechanics operating out of this beautiful lab in sunny Austin, Texas. Our industry mentor is Michael O'Brien, who has over 17 years of executive experience in the medical device market, overseeing the launch of nearly a dozen new products. Our technical lead is Nick Fye. He's an associate professor in the Walker Department of Mechanical Engineering here at UT Austin. The entrepreneurial lead is Ross Newman, a postdoc also in the Mechanical Engineering Department at UT. Coming into this program and having an engineering mindset, I had assumed that the most difficult thing about starting up would be physically manufacturing devices at scale. I've since learned that there are key partnerships to make that process much easier to define. But what's hard to define is how you're going to reach your customers and even who those customers might be. Our project began when we were approached by physical therapists working with people with MS. These patients had difficulty flexing their hips, but no good device existed on the market to help them with their hip flexion throughout the day. Initially, we thought that we would be selling our devices to clinics and that the experts working there would fit them to their patients as needed. By the end of the first week of interviews, we had learned that this is not at all how clinics operate and that we would need to adapt our business model to reach our customers. One of the most interesting interviews we had was with the executive medical director of Ottobock North America. Ottobock is the largest manufacturer of prosthetics and orthotics in the world, and they have a device called the C-Brace that assists neurological patient populations at their knee and ankle. We learned that Ottobock had been having difficulty with the C-Brace because the additional weight of the device had made it more difficult for users to flex their hips. As a result of this, they were very interested in a hip flexion assistance device that could accompany the C-Brace. This was a surprising example of a totally different way that we could end up reaching our customer segment, as well as a potential key partnership or licensing agreement for the future.